Hello everyone, this video is about QR code settings on DWIN T5L screen. Let's see the demo project display. Demo project settings. Prepare the background images in advance. Open the DGUS software. Create a new project. Upload the background images. Generate the ICL file. Set the QR code display at suitable place. For the parameter settings, let's see the detailed definitions first. The QR code control is to display the designated QR code on the screen according to the designated content. Instruction storage format. Just take a brief look here. Please refer to the development guide for details. Attention should be paid to the highlighted areas. Software setting. Open DGUS, click Display Control, QR code, then set the control display area and configure VP, the physical pixel size occupied by each QR code unit pixel, etc. SP address, variable description pointer, 0 multiple FFFF means loaded by the configuration file. Variable pointer, the content of the QR code is up to 458 bytes. Unit pixels, the physical pixel lattice size occupied by each QR code unit pixel, from 1 to 7. Fixed mode, fixed to a 73 multiple 73 unit pixel format QR code, or automatically match QR code size based on data length. Display color, QR code color. Now let's back to the project. Set each parameter according to your needs. VP and SP should be not conflicted with each other. Also, we can use some touch controls to add some changes to the QR code. For display and hide, choose Return Key Code. For shrink, enlarge, and refresh, we can use incremental adjustment. VP address coordinate with the QR code. 1 represent on and 0 represent off, so we fill 0001 here and for 0 to the height. The next two controls will change the shape of the QR code, so the VP address should be the QR code's variable description pointer plus 3. Range from 1 to 7. Refresh will change the whole content of the QR code, so its VP address should be coordinated with the QR code. Set the parameters according to your needs. Add a touch control so we can enter the next page. Same settings as the first page here. VP and SP different from the first page. This page we do not set hide and display element, so we can add a return key code module to enable QR code displaying. The parameter setting rules are the same as on the first page. For the background and QR code color settings, let's review the guidance file first. SP offset for numbers, 0.7 position, 0, the fixed background is white and the QR code is black. 1. Colors are defined by color 0 and color 1. Turn off default black and white, 0 for low byte, 0.7 bits right 0. On to change the color, 0 for low byte, 0.7 bits right 1, converted to hexadecimal as 0 multiple 80. Background color. Change background color, SP address at 5 and 1800 represent blue color. Zero 7E0 represent green color. Foreground color. Change QR front color, SP address at 6 and C800 represent red color. B900 represent purple color. also set a touch control to realize page turning. We can also change the colors by sending serial port instructions. Here are some examples. Set the QR code display control VP address 2000 with the following example command. Turn off default black and white. Change the color. Initial value is turn off. Send the command to open. Background color change to blue. Background color change to green. Foreground color change to red. Foreground color change to purple. Turn off the color change. Return to default black and white. Save the project and copy to a blank SD card to download it to your screen. Thanks for watching.